Well, YouTube, here's an update on this 440 TNT disaster. Couldn't get it running. Well, kind of run. So I went down to the shop, got new spark plugs, new caps, put new gas line on, fresh fuel in it, new primer. Those primers are $45 now where I am. Noticed on the initial start, something didn't sound 100%. I thought it was maybe a head gasket leaking or something. So I tore the shroud, all the parts, manifold off, basically everything. And I'll get down here and show you what we got going on. So, there's one cylinder. Looks good. Till you look further in. See the crack in the piston? I'm guessing that was probably like that before I started, but I might have finished it off. Sorry fellas, I'm trying my best here. And then we have that. That's a problem. Piston skirt is broke off. Cylinder 2. Don't look too bad in there. Go up. Not too bad, that's just oil. The skirt's not broke off of this one. Let's see what the cylinders look like in this one. Not bad considering all. Well, anyways, I was pulling this over. I could hear something kind of rattling in there, and I just knew something wasn't right. So anyways, we're we're at. And I'll put another video on here after I get these cylinder heads off and the cylinders, and we'll see what they look like. I'll make another video. Like my videos, like and subscribe, that would be great. Thank you. Take care.